Good morning, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab Z71 two-wheel drive 5.3 liter V8 wheelchair accessible vehicle with a side entry automatic push button ramp that deploys, a lift that ramps the whole side of the truck. Check this out, super cool. This is the push of a button, the whole entire vehicle, the whole side of the vehicle deploys. Already got Garrett in here on the wheelchair just to show how it works. How cool is that? So if you are in a wheelchair, you have the ability now with Freedom Motors to have a side entry or a driver. You can drive from your wheelchair as well if you prefer. Check that out. Super cool. Here at Freedom Motors USA, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have hundreds of vehicles in stock to choose from. Chevy Silverados, Suburbans, Yukons, Sierras, Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls. We have a huge selection. Side entry, we also have a driver side entry as well, where you can drive from your wheelchair with hand controls if necessary. Super cool. This is really awesome. We dedicate ourselves to making the lives of folks that are in wheelchairs easier, but doing it in style with cool crossover trucks, SUVs, vans, not just minivans anymore. If you're interested in this vehicle or a wheelchair accessible vehicle, this one here is only $39,995. It is a Z71 badging, but is a two-wheel drive truck. But it's only $39,995. Brand new, these conversions alone are $30,000 just for the conversion. So this is a great deal. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Visit us on freedommotors.com and please hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.